The Bajaba situation. He got an injury before we had the last international break, and it was a grade 2 tear in the muscle, in the thigh muscle. Brian Musa, where he pulled his hamstring, so we got the scans back today, so the doc is yet to report, but it doesn't look like it is healthy and that, so we have to take repercussion measures. Obviously we had the medical reports from all the players. We did medical testing of our own, and then we found out that there was also a slight problem with the heart of one of the players, Pamba Swale. So he had a little bit of a defect. Now it's all down to him to make myself and the other technical members also sees what we missed or what we didn't select firsthand. But yeah, this is his big opportunity now to make the most of it, and I hope for him, for his sake, and for all his followers that was pushing to get him into the team, he doesn't disappoint them.